What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.071, up 3.5 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 489 billion. And the 24-hour volume, 326 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here. So, in my opinion, Gala looks like it really wants to break out. You can see everything is red except for Gala. But it's waiting on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues to correct, then it's going to pull Gala down. But you can see here, let me open up BTC. BTC has been falling, and Gala's like, come on, man. Like, let me go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. In my opinion. But if Bitcoin continues to correct, then Gala will sell off. But I do think if we see a move up in BTC, Gala's going to explode, in my opinion. Now, we do have a little bit of I was watching for head and shoulders. We didn't quite break the high, so we have a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder. So if we were to come down and lose that neckline, that's when it could come down to 0.060. Potentially what I'm looking at is we've come down in a wave 4, and we're looking to push up in a wave 5 of this larger wave 3. Now, the second scenario is that we've already completed a 5-way structure, and we see a larger wave 2 pullback to bring you down to this yellow box in between 0.060 and 0.064. Sometimes I scramble the numbers. I have dyslexia, so just give me a break. Yeah, if we look at our next chart here, you can see we're just about to have the bullish cross of the EMAs. Nice bullish divergence. It just looks like to me like Gala wants to make it up to that price target, and right now Bitcoin's holding it back. I mean, if Bitcoin corrects hard, it's going to pull Gala down, but I really think like at 95% certainty that if Bitcoin bounces, even if we come down here to our wave 2 pullback zone and start to bounce, that Gala is just going to fly. It just looks like to me like it's just coiling up, it's getting ready to go. But we'll have to see what happens. We need BTC. Without BTC, it might not take off, you know. BTC is king. So just a quick little update. It does look like to me like it wants to break out. If we do see some harsher pullback, then potentially I'd look for a bounce in between 0.060 and 0.064 for Gala Games, and then we have a wave 3 target all the way up at 0.091, which lines up with this falling wedge pattern. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Recently locked in some juicy gains on Matic, Ethereum, as well as Gala. Currently in a Gala long trade with a couple entries, so if you want my exact entries, took a little bit of a loss on an ETH short, but I am currently in a Gala long. I don't want to open it up too much here, but we hit our first entry, currently making some juicy profits. But usually I have a few entries for my trades. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Let me quickly open it up. Talking all things crypto, you can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit. And I will see you in the next video. All right, that's it for me today. Peace. Take care.